Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you two ways to update the drivers for your graphics card, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD. Basically, what we need to do first is, in the first method, go to the description of this video and depending on your graphics card, click on NVIDIA or AMD. So, let's go to NVIDIA. By the way, if you don't know which graphics card you have, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, you need to look at the top right where an ad will appear that shows you how to find out which card you have. But once we know, let's say in my case it's NVIDIA, and here we are going to search. Once we know what graphics card we have, we will look for the graphics card itself. Mine is a 900 series, so let's search for 970. The operating system we have, in this case, I have Windows 11. Then here, if you want, you can put Studio Driver, although you might not find it. Let's put Game Ready. And for language, well, our language, in this case, Spanish Latin America. And here, we basically see this. For those wondering why we chose Gameplay instead of Studio. Studio is for editing applications, in case we edit in Premiere or Photoshop. But this only works if our graphics card is from the 1000 series onward. It should be 1080, 2080, or something like that, because if you look here, if I click on this, it's not going to show up for me. And besides, most people have a graphics card for playing video games, if I may be redundant. If you edit, download the Studio. Well, I'm going to do the Game Ready, and we go to where it says download and download again. And this will download for us depending on the speed of our internet. It will download faster or slower. Once it is downloaded and we install it, we will see something like the following. We will come over here. I already have it installed, which is this application called GeForce Experience. What we need to do now is log in and go to where it says drivers, and it will show up here, not like mine, which already shows that it is updated, but we will click on this button that says check for updates. When we do that, it will show us that we have an update, and we will click download and install. This program, whenever we close it, will be minimized down here on the right. We just right-click and open NVIDIA GeForce Experience. This is so we don't have to keep coming to this page that I left here, but instead, we will just check for updates here every time they come out. Generally, they come out every week, or at most, every month, so it's important that we know this. Now, this is the first method through this page, as I mentioned. The second is to go here where it says Device Manager, and we will look directly for display adapters, and here our graphics card will appear. So let's say I know mine is NVIDIA. Here, we will right-click, and we see the option to update the driver. We click on where it says Update Driver, and then we go to where it says Search for Drivers automatically. Here it shows me that the best drivers are already updated. So as they say, GeForce Experience is already updated, and this would be the way for you to download the NVIDIA drivers.